Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up time in Radar 150 First, ensure your motorcycle's ignition is turned to the on position, illuminating the digital display. Next, identify the mode and set buttons typically found near the display. To begin the time adjustment process, press and hold the mode button for approximately 2 to 3 seconds until the hour digits start blinking, indicating you've entered the setting mode. With the hour digits now blinking, you can adjust the hour. Simply press the Set button repeatedly. Each individual press will advance the hour by 1 unit. Keep pressing the Set button until the display shows the precise current hour you wish to set. Be careful not to overshoot, as you will need to cycle through all 24 hours again. Once the hour is correctly set, press the Mode button just one time. This action will shift the blinking from the hour digits to the minute digits, indicating they are now ready for adjustment. Similar to setting the hour, use the Set button to advance the minutes. Each press adds 1 minute, so continue until the exact current minute is displayed on your panel. After you have accurately set both the hours and the minutes, the final step is to save your new time. Simply press the Mode button one last time. This action will stop all the digits from blinking, confirming that your new time has been successfully saved. Your Radar 150 display will now show the correct, updated time, ready for your next ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.